Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing us how to make this layered sleeve using elastic and organza fabric. So let's get started. So the first thing is you're going to draft a long sleeve, and then you're going to add about 6 or 8 inches extra to your long sleeve measurement so that you have enough cushion like to move the elastic upward and give you that puffy look. Next thing, divide this sleeve opening into 3 equal parts. Okay, then use your ruler to draw a line from those points to the cap head, like so. So it's not like you're drawing slash lines. Okay, now I'm going to slash through, meaning I'm going to use my scissors to cut through the pattern. Okay, and once I do this, I'm going to place it on my fabric. So as you can see, I'm cutting through, and the best fabric for this sleeve is chiffon. It's going to give you that desired look. Okay, as you can see, I'm slashing through, and then I'm going to place this on my fabric. So once I do this, I will place it on my chiffon. As you can see, you see the way I spread it out. I spread it about 5 inches apart from each of the pattern paper. So the first step is I'll go and do a roll them on the hemline of the sleeve. Next thing, from my sleeve head, okay, I'm going to mark 10 inches downward and mark it. Then from the sleeve opening, I will mark about depends, about 6 or 8 inches upwards, and I'll use my chalk to mark it so I will know where to place my elastic. You can see my chalk. Now I won't use my elastic directly. Okay, I prefer to use my elastic thread first. So you reel the elastic thread into the reeler or bobbin as seen. Okay, then I'll use this to like do tiny gathers on the sleeve first before using my elastic. It makes it very easy. Can you see that? So now I will place my elastic like that. Okay, measure the 2 points where the elastic will be on your hand, and then you cut out the elastic and place it on those points. So you can see the way I'm sewing the elastic on it, like so. Okay, so just do it gradually and make sure you distribute the gathers evenly. Okay, so once you do this, you sew the side seam of the sleeve, and of course you're almost done with your sleeve. Meanwhile, this is organza. You have to weave the edges so it doesn't make you uncomfortable. Okay, so now I'm done fixing the elastic on both sides, like so. Okay, and then just sew the side seam, and then I'll put the sleeve on my mannequin for us to see. Now, why did we add extra 6 inches to the sleeve length? If you don't do that, the sleeve will just be flat. It won't have that puffy look. So you need that extra, allowance for the sleeve to be able to puff, for you to move the sleeve upwards from where the elastic is and then to puff. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now I'll put it on my mannequin for us to see the outcome. Okay, I'm just trying to do some finishing touches. I'm sewing the side seam now. Okay, so this is a domestic sewing machine. I know someone wants to start asking questions. The domestic sewing machine, okay, you can sew any kind of fabric. Yeah, okay, not any kind, but most fabrics anyway. Yeah, so I'll place it on my mannequin now for us to see. So this is on my mannequin on one sleeve, one hand rather, and the other one is flat, so you can see that puffy look. If you don't add extra allowance to your sleeve length, it will not puff out like this. So this is how it looks like. Thank you so much. I hope you learned from this tutorial. Don't forget to follow us. Bye.